Hello, friends from Serbia. My name is Jacky Chung. I am a wine journalist based in Hong Kong. I write for several magazines and newspapers in Hong Kong and the Chinese-speaking region. Here I am at the Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Center with two lovely guys from Serbia, Alexander and also Vinarija. And it is actually my second time meeting Alexander here. We're here at the Vinexpo venue. And just a few weeks ago, I received a tasting pack from Alexander of Aleksandrović Vinarija, and it was my first time to taste Serbian wines. I have written about wines and spirit articles from about 45 countries. So Serbia is actually my 46th country. And I have to say that in terms of Eastern European wines from the former Eastern communist states, Serbia is the country that impressed me the most. I was sent a total of 6 samples, starting from Chardonnay sparkling to rosé to white wine, the Triumph series, and also the new Regent Reserve and Vizier Red Reserve series. And all of these wines are hand on heart very, very good. And I can honestly say that in terms of Eastern European wines, Serbia definitely is the country that impresses me the most. And I hope some of you will in the future be able to visit Hong Kong or the Chinese-speaking areas in mainland China. And I hope to see you here and talk more about Chinese wine market, and also Serbian wines, to share our love about wine to other people. And and I hope to see you in Serbia next time I come around. I've never been to Serbia, but this time with the introduction of Aleksandrović, it gives me a very good reason to make myself there to visit this lovely place. And also the town of Planac, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's really, it's not just about wine, and it's also about history and heritage. Now I look forward to visiting Serbia, and let's keep in touch and enjoy the rest of this Vinexpo.